Hello everyone, I'm Anthony Nathan D. Nobleza, and today we're going to talk about emerging destinations beyond Earth, spaceports, suborbital flights, and their geographic and tourism implications. As humanity steps beyond the boundaries of Earth, a new chapter in tourism and geography begins. In this report, we explore the rise of emerging destinations beyond Earth, focusing on spaceports, suborbital flights, and their growing impact on both geographic development and the future of space tourism. Spaceports are the new transportation hubs for the space age. Facilities designed to launch spacecraft, much like airports for rockets. With commercial space travel growing, these sites are quickly becoming global landmarks. Prominent spaceports include Cape Canaveral in Florida, Baikonur in Kazakhstan, and the Mojave Air and Spaceport in California. Newer facilities like Cornwall Spaceport in the UK show how even small regions are preparing for the era of space travel. Geographically, spaceports are placed in remote or coastal areas to minimize risks. Their locations are chosen based on factors like latitude, weather, and airspace control. As more spaceports emerge, they reshape the physical and economic landscapes around them, creating jobs, infrastructure, and even tourism hubs. While traditional space missions have been reserved for astronauts, suborbital flights are changing that. These short, high-altitude journeys to take passengers to the edge of space, offering a few minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking view of Earth's curvature. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are at the forefront of this new industry. Their spacecraft such as Spaceship Two and the New Shepard are designed specifically for space tourists. A typical flight lasts around 10 to 15 minutes, but for passengers, the experience is unforgettable. These flights represent a new kind of tourism, ultra-luxury, high-cost, and high-impact. Although only available to the wealthy for now, the hope is that suborbital tourism will become more accessible in the future. The rise of space tourism carries both geographic and cultural consequences. Spaceports introduce new infrastructure in rural or undeveloped regions. They also affect global travel routes, airspace regulations, and international cooperation in space law. From a tourism perspective, space travel introduces a new frontier. Not only are travelers aiming to leave Earth, but entire industries are forming around this goal. We may soon see space-themed resorts, astronaut training experiences, and space hotels in orbit. At the same time, these advancements raise important questions, such as environmental sustainability, the growing space debris problem, and the ethical gap between those who can afford to go to space and those who cannot. So in conclusion, destinations beyond Earth are no longer distant dreams. Through spaceports and suborbital flights, humanity is expanding its physical reach and redefining the limits of tourism and geography. But as we venture outward, we must also think critically about access, sustainability, and how we manage this new space for all.